Hi, today is October 1st. Avery has hiccups. She's being so good and letting me swaddle her and change her poopy diaper with no problem. Here's me needing a shower. Here, Daddy, while you're at Saxon's, here's Avery, and she has hiccups. Did you hear that? Did you see that? Here she is, a little milk drunk, because I think I'm getting that latch down. We love you, Avery. Just finished changing her second poopy diaper. Today, we've had 2 poopy diapers already, and they are greenish yellow, so we should be on track. A little bit of a relief from Tuesday night, which was a nightmare. So, hope you got enough to eat for now, Avery. Okay, Mommy has to finish doing your swaddle. And you can keep taking a nap afterwards. Bye. Love you. That one last hiccup.